Zoey's first bath in the tub out there. Usually she tries to bathe in the dish. And I actually seen her take a bath out there in the bathtub instead of the dish. The water dish is where she usually does it. She's a crazy bird. Anyway, just wanted to capture that. And I think Rocky's going to get in there too, because she was just about ready to do it when I pulled the phone out. Of course, you know, the phone. Yeah, the phone. The naughty phone that watches us. We don't like the phone. No. Oh no, the phone. I have an old phone. I think I'm going to set it out, and so maybe they'll get used to seeing a phone and I can capture them doing more things. Might be an idea. Thanks for watching.